Hey everybody, welcome to week 6 character modeling. That's correct. So a lot of cool things. This week's going to starting to get really busy. So this is probably one of the hardest weeks, I think, out of anything, because not only are you finishing your character body, but we're attaching the head, we're adding morphers, and we're also creating a lot of facial expressions. So there's a lot of hard work. So don't fall behind this week, because it's going to really set you up for the next weeks after that. So please make sure you're caught up on all your stuff, because let's get into it. We got a lot to talk about this week. So you do have a discussion this week. It's due on Tuesday. We'll go over that, but yeah, let's get into it and really start talking about some things. So in reality, when you're creating expressions, you're creating facial expressions and creating animations and how those tie apart, it really comes down to body language, and it's subtle in reality. And when we realize this, 65% of most people are really visual learners, and most of these cues are taken from 85% nonverbal elements, such as facial expressions, body language, gestures, postures, positions, and many more. And the more we understand this, the more we can really add more detail to our character development. And as we develop expressions, we as humans see thousands of these every day, and animators work with mediums to help exaggerate character emotions. And across are what we can do with simple lines. And the real cool thing about this is you can create real dynamic animations with just really simple line work. Note, these are just eyes, eyebrows, and little inflections underneath, and it really does a great job. Even with mouths, they're really just, all it is just real line work, but you can really add detail and expression. And that's what's really cool about this. And these are just facial expressions. When you add full body expressions and body gestures, you can create real detailed emotions such as outrage, gleefulness, sneaky, worried, pensive, and even terrified. Now, there's 6 basic facial expressions. You have anger, where everything's more inner, eyes are focused, and everything's clenched down below. You have happiness, where persons are pretty much happy. Everything's squinted up top, and everything's lifted upward. You also have surprise, where it's much like anger, but more open, and the eyebrows are raised, and the mouth is more O-faced. Then you also have disgust, where everything's clenched in toward the nose, and it really just pinches like, it's kind of like not a great feeling. Then you have sadness and fear. Fear kind of plays a part with surprise, where the eyes are open and the mouth is more trapezoidal, but the eyebrows are flattened, and then you have more stress up top on the head. Same thing with sadness, where you have more stress up top, eyebrows are very flattened, eyes are closed, mouth is very wide open, and very in this more like interesting shape, where it's a rectangle, but it bends in the middle points of that. And that's sadness right there. Those are the 6 basic facial expressions, and those are some of the expressions you can work with over time, and that really helps out. Now, what is another thing? Our expression sheets. Expression sheets are great. We're going to be actually creating expression sheets for your discussion post this week. Oh, sorry, my voice is killing me. Now, these are similar to character turnarounds. They help show a variety of expressions. They also show the range of characters' emotions and body elements. They are meant to be messy and expressive. That's really the main thing about these elements. So, all right, so let's go into your due dates and your assignments. Speaking about talking about X sheets and stuff, let's get into that, or expression sheets. All right, so where are we? So your discussion this week. I would like you to, for your initial post, you don't have to do any explanation or anything. I want you to draw your character in expressions on one piece of page. I'd like to see at least 8 of them. That would be great. So 8 drawings of your characters. They don't need to be organized. They can be messy. I want you to have fun with this. That's for your initial post. So that would be great. So 8 drawn out expressions of your character that you're building. And then for your reply post, I want you to give detailed feedback in 2 to 3 paragraphs of your classmate. Make sure you give examples and reasoning of what works and what doesn't, so you can give honest, quality feedback. That would be great. Next, for your assignment. So this is the last version of your body, V3. This is the 3rd pass. So I want you to finish the body. Please turn in the file, but also give me an image of the front view of the character body and a side view or a rear view of the character body. No head attached on this one. We're gonna attach the head next, and that's gonna be great about that. So yeah, just the character body, no head attached. I want to see it from a front view or a side or a rear view. That's what I'm looking for that. And this is the final version of your character body. Everything should be finished from here on out. And then we have a very big assignment, which I think is the toughest assignment on everything. I'm sorry I have to throw this at you, but this is a two-part assignment. So what I want you to do for this assignment is creating a target morphers and attaching the head. So half of this assignment, you're gonna attach the head onto your character body and attach the morphers and everything. That's part 2. But part 1, I want you to take the character bus that you have and create and copy or mirror that head 12 times. And then I want you to merge and create expressions from those 12 different head character busts that you have. So 10 of those should follow the basic phonemes. We'll talk about phonemes in your second announcement, which will be on Friday. And look up the phoneme types. You have a module lookup to where you can see all the different 10 elements. And that's what I want you to do. I want you to create a character expression that showcases A and I, E, O, U, and that's 5 right there, the 5 vowels. Then I want you to do WQ, MBPP, LTH, F, and V, and the consonants. So you have 5 vowels, 5 consonants types. Then you also have 1 expression. I want you to do a blank. And then I would like you to do an expression of your choice. You can do whatever you want with that. So there should be 12 character heads in this file. They all should show an expression that dictates either one of the 10 phonemes that I'm requesting you, and then a custom one, and then the iBlink as well. And that's it. So that's half of your assignment, the phoneme set, and then the other half is attaching the head to the body, and that's pretty much it. All right, that's all I got, my friends. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know, but that's pretty much it. Thanks for being amazing. And if you have any concerns or anything coming up, let me know. I'll help you out. Other than that, that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. Thanks for being awesome. I'll have the second announcement around Thursday, Friday, so you have the phoneme set so we can talk about phonemes and how to build them. Other than that, that's pretty much it. All right, everybody, take it easy. Sounds good. Bye-bye.